Happy New Year's Eve from Copenhagen. We are just walking around. It's pretty quiet today so far. We're gonna explore a little bit and then check back into our hostel. We have a private room tonight and then get ready for New Year's Eve. Hello 2023. There's the palace. Some beautiful architecture. I heard this is very similar to what you would see in France a lot. And Denmark still has a monarchy, and I think the king or queen is going to give a speech. I think the queen is giving a speech at like 8, which is pretty traditional for New Year's Eve, which is interesting. Some kayakers over there. This is really interesting. It has like these dragons or something. And then there's this as well too, which is really pretty, which we did not climb the other day. Maybe we'll go today, but maybe we'll just look at it. Who knows?
Yeah.
Just commenting on how we really like the buildings here. This is Nyland. Very pretty. So we're headed to the changing of the guard. As you can see, it is very popular. So maybe I'll give the camera to Shane because he's tall. So we just had a very fun changing of the guard. I think it was a little bit special too because it is New Year's Eve and the Queen is gonna give her address. And now we are at one of the cathedrals. We had to go to a coffee shop because I needed to use the restroom. So we got a coffee and a little pastry, and now we're gonna go in and check this out. And luckily it has not started raining yet. So many interesting things to see. Just walking around this beautiful little park. All right, so we're walking around the old fort. It's starting to rain a little bit. I think we're gonna check out the Little Mermaid and then maybe start heading back to the hostel. There she is, the Little Mermaid. And all the other people.
Just eating some food on the street, getting weird looks for filming you.
Uh-oh, fire alarm. Alright, now we're back on track. What's going on?
Alright, it's 11:30, half an hour to go till New Year's Eve here in Copenhagen, Denmark. And the streets are very smoky.
Busy.
We had a fire alarm at our hostel, but the streets are very smoky. It's been hours of non-stop fireworks. So we're gonna go to City Center and check out the main fireworks.
And it's raining, but let's go. Woo.